Hi guys, hope you've been watching my 25 days of Glossymas videos. If not, make sure you head over and watch those as I unbox day by day my 25 boxes in this calendar. This calendar was £75, a lot of money. I would never normally spend that much on an advent calendar, probably never won't again. £99 for non-subscribers to Glossybox, but it was £75 if you were a subscriber, so just so you know that. But today I am going to be unboxing the Maybelline Countdown 12-day beauty calendar, and I'm going to do this all at once. So I don't know really what the thing is with 12 days. I don't know where this has come from. There are a lot of 12-day calendars out there, and for as long as I've been alive it's always been 24 or 25 if you're lucky. So these 12 ones, I just don't know what you know, where they've come from, type of thing. So this is worth £49.99, and that is for 12 days. The cheapest I could find it was £29.99. Then I saw it for £24.99 in the Black Friday deals, but even so I thought, no, I'm not paying that for a 12-day calendar. Then I happened to see an ad on Facebook. Home Bargains, of all places, had them for £12.99. I couldn't believe it. I was like on the phone to my mum. I was like, "Mum, quick! You gotta get me 3 of them. Please get me some," because I'm gonna give my two eldest girls as part of their Christmas, and then I've got one that I'm going to open now. So that is an absolute bargain. They should be £50 down to £12.99. They are still £29.99 everywhere. Apart from Home Bargains, where they are £12.99, but hurry, or because I don't think they're I don't know, they probably haven't even got any left now. I know Mum said, because she got herself one, so she got 4, and I think she said there was 2 left on the shelves, and that was the day the ad went out on Facebook, and that was our local Home Bargains store. So I don't know, maybe bigger ones would have more. I don't know, but £12.99, wow. So let's see if it's worth it. So it opens up like this. So where's number 1? Okay, number 1 is here. Oh, it's going to be one of those sort. Okay, it's really difficult to get out. Okay, so for day 1 we have one of the Baby Lips lip balms. So, yeah, happy with that. Day 2. Okay, so we have another one. And that's Altorian's, and I'm quoting her a lot in her videos the last few days, but I've just been watching her videos. And I know that she hates it when you get the same product, but not only that, I don't like it either when you get 2 in a row. Okay, this one's slightly different because it's pink. Does have a slight pink sheen to it, so yeah, it's different, but it would have been nice to have had it somewhere else, not 2 lip balms in a row. So that's what we've got so far. So day number 3, here we go. Okay, so we have the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid by Face Studio. So this is liquid highlighter. Oh, that's a really nice silvery. I don't think you can see it. Oh, you can just see it there. Can you see it reflecting? There, that bit there. So that's a really nice silvery white. That is like the opposite to what I got in my glossy box. Now look at that. Glossy box, £75. And we got a little sample tube like that. Maybelline £12.99 calendar, and we get practically a full size product. I did say Maybelline, didn't I, when I first started this video? I hope I did. But it is the Maybelline calendar, in case I didn't. So yeah. So let's have a look. Number 4 looks suspiciously like another lip balm. They are really hard to get out. Oh no, it's the lipstick. Okay, so this is 932 Matte Clay Crush. Okay, so I've seen that a lot in the advent calendars. Look at watching videos on YouTube. You know, like the sort of toffee, brownie, nude shades. Yeah, that's okay, and I would use that. So far, I'm happy with every single product, unlike that. But you'll have to go and watch the videos. Right, so where are we? Number 5. Okay, again we have 2 products next to each other in a row. We have another lipstick, and this is 975 Divine Wine. Oh, I hope it's a light Christmassy red. Yes, it is. They heard me. Okay, you can see that strobing liquid. So that is ace. But yeah, they're the lipsticks. So I am really happy with those. Okay, so where are we? Number 6 is down here. And this is a mascara. Okay, and it is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. Now I do actually use this one already, so that's quite handy. And I have run out. So we'll just look at the one, because I can't remember what it's like. So not the thickest, so, but it is quite a thickening one, so hopefully that should at least elongate them or thicken them up a bit, because boy, I need it. So again, happy with that. And I mean that alone is around the price of this whole calendar. So right, where are we? Day number 7. Where is day number 7? Okay, I think this must be it here, but they've like chopped the top of the 7 off. Okay, so this is the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny what? I'm presuming it's an eyeliner because it says in defining black, but it's like in a pink. So it's pink again, so yay. So I'm assuming that's an eyeliner. Can't even see where it opens. And again, that is sealed tight. Watch my other videos and you'll see what I mean. It's to do with Autoria. So 8. Ooh, that's nice. So we have a nail varnish in a gorgeous red. So it's the Super Stay 7 Days Gel Nail Colour. And it's called, it's Deep Red number 6. So I'm really happy with that as well, because I wanted some red nail varnish. So really happy with that. Day 9. Okay, so we have the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So that's lightweight primer. Wow, I am so happy with this calendar, I really am. Okay, so that's clear. I have never seen a clear primer before, but then I don't normally wear them. So that is really good as well. I am so impressed. So yeah, it's the Instant Pore Eraser primer. 10. Okay, so we have the Maybelline Colour Tattoo 24-hour Gel Cream Eyeshadow. And that looks like, you know, where you'd sort of highlight it up here. It looks like one of those sort of colours, or your whole base, you know, your base. And it's shade 93 Creme de Nude. So yeah, I am really happy with that as well. I just wish I'd bought this now. I'm not bothered with the glossy box, I honestly do. Door number 11 is another nail varnish. Oh no, it's not. Super Stay 3D Gel Effect Plumping Top Coat. Wow, so that's clear. It looks black because of the label, but it is clear. So I am well happy with that as well, because my nails chip like anything, so that will go really nicely on top of the red. I am so impressed with this calendar, I really am. So last day 12. Oh, imagine if it was a 24-day one. God, it'd be amazing. So I think we have another eyeshadow. Yes, we do. We have another Colour Tattoo 24-hour. And this is also the gel cream. And it is shade 35 On and On Bronze. And I will definitely wear that. These two eyeshadows are my go-to eyeshadows. I am so impressed with this calendar. I really am. $12.99. If you have a Home Bargains near you, get down there now and hope that they've still got them in stock, because this is worth £50. The 12 days of these, there's not one thing I would not use, unlike that. So as I said, it was originally $49.99. it's been reduced to £29.99. The cheapest I've seen it for is £24.99, but that was Black Friday, so it's gone back up to £29.99 until I think it was end of last week. £12.99 in Home Bargains. So I am so impressed with that, I really am. And they're all colours that I will wear, products I will use. So yeah, absolutely over the moon with that. Really cheered me up, and I know my girls will like it too, so they'll get to open each door on Christmas Day. So yeah, really happy with that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a nice comment down below. Let me know what you think to this. If you've watched my glossy box openings so far, let me know whether you think I'm justified in not being overly happy with most of the products. What you think compared to this one, because the difference to me is absolutely amazing. Yeah, so leave me a nice comment. Don't leave nasty comments, don't like nasty comments. So yeah, leave me a nice comment down below and let me know what you think. And let me know if you managed to get your hands on one as well, because this is just absolute bargain. So yeah, and I doubt they'll have any left, but they'll probably even go in the sale after Christmas if they've got any left, so you can probably get it for even cheaper. But I'm on the lookout for the Nails Ink one now, the 12-day one, to go down a bit more, because it's still £29.99 and I'm not paying that. So that's the next one I'm on the lookout for. But yeah, I definitely recommend this one. The products are absolutely amazing. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. As I said, like, subscribe and leave me a nice comment, and a share would be great too. And don't forget to go and watch my 25 days of Glossymas openings. Okay guys, take care, see you soon, bye. So guys, this is everything that I got in my Maybelline 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. That was an amazing £12.99. It is worth £50. The value of the goods is worth more than that, but the price of the calendar is worth £50. And I got it for £12.99 in my Home Bargains local. So I am super happy with it, and let me know if you managed to get one and if you're really happy with it too. Merry Christmas guys, and don't forget, like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below, and a share would be great too. And don't forget to watch my 25 Days of Glossymas opening as well. I'll see you soon guys, bye. Merry Christmas.